Alright guys, we're currently at the dealership dropping the GP off with less than an hour on the odometer. So that's a little bit frustrating. Had an issue with underneath here. On the bottom of the hole they had some plastic wrapping that they didn't take off fully. And then these handlebars up here, these plastic pieces were put on backwards and they were hanging off like that. And then also the battery was less than 50% charged when I picked it up, so a little bit I guess my bad for not completely going through the ski before I picked it up, but I thought that I was getting a brand new ski. So a little frustrating, but hopefully they take care of me. We'll see. All right, we just got back from the dealership. They're gonna go through the ski, check everything out. The service manager was super apologetic, and he told me that he's gonna take care of it first thing in the morning. I'll have it back by lunch, and he's gonna give me a 10-hour service for free, so that was nice of him. And it's just a little frustrating when you pay $400 for a prep fee and then it's not prepped correctly and you have to bring your ski back. But they're going to take care of it, which is all I care about, and hopefully tomorrow we'll be on the water.